week where we will be discussing the impact of print on blank paper. SAP users can run into some challenges when they're printing checks. The checks default to print on check stock, so the layout isn't aligned. You could end up wasting check stock, which can be expensive. Some users also run into an issue when they go to print their checks and only one check will print at a time because the print on blank paper checkbox is selected. The print on blank paper feature can be found on the checks for payment window, which is a user by user setting. When selecting this checkbox, you aren't prompted to update the checks for payment screen, so it can be accidentally selected without the user even realizing. When checked, this feature only allows one check to be printed at a time. So in document printing, if a user goes to print a batch of 5 checks and only the first one prints, it's likely that it is set for the user on the checks for payment screen. Now we're going to go into a demo. If you go into banking and outgoing payments, you'll find the checks for payment screen. And it is very small down here where you can see print on blank paper. But if you do select it, you can see that it does not prompt you to update the screen. But if you close out of it and open it back up, it will be selected. Again, if you exit out and open it back up, it won't be selected. So it's just a good little quick tip to kind of know that it's here, which can be very useful. All right. This feature offers some benefits to SAP users because you can print a hard copy of a check without using check stock paper, which is both wasteful and expensive. This also offers a great way to test printing the check layout without printing multiple checks because only one will print out at a time. Overall, this feature reduces waste and cost in regard to stock paper, but it also saves time troubleshooting if you can't figure out why more than one check won't print at a time. I hope that this quick tip was helpful and will be utilized to its full potential in the future. Thank you for listening.